How to use copper banking app properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Most teens see copper banking as a cool debit card, but the surprising truth is it's actually a financial education tool disguised as one. The key is knowing how to use it right. Hopper is designed to teach smart money habits through real spending. The first beginner mistake parents make: not turning on spending insights. These track where money goes and give feedback, perfect for building awareness. The next mistake is skipping goal settings. Hopper lets teens create savings goals like new laptop or car fund. Without goals, money slips away on impulse purchases. Another mistake is ignoring automatic savings. The app can round up transactions and save spare change. Over time, that small habit builds discipline and cash reserves. Also, some parents forget to set spending limits or alerts. Hopper allows real-time parental monitoring without micromanaging. Use it to build trust and accountability. Finally, not using Hopper's educational content is a missed opportunity. Its bite-sized lessons on credit, investing, and budgeting are designed to make money concepts click early. Used properly, Hopper isn't just an app, it's a foundation for lifelong financial confidence. So set it up together, use the tools, and turn every purchase into a lesson. Because the best way to prepare kids for money is to let them manage it wisely.